It's that time of year again. Annual tradition of going up and chasing the poppin' leaves. Today, I'm going to be drinking Poppy Classic Cola. 25 calories, 4 grams of added sugars, whatever. Tastes just like cola, so I mean, this might be something I would mix with a whiskey. I should be sponsored by Poppy. So if you see this, hope you like my poppy leaves. Okay, let's just get to the fall colors. I'm going by Kenosha Pass, and you can just see. This is why I like to get out in places where this isn't going on. I mean, yeah, they're beautiful up there, the leaves, but I mean, dang people, you can go other places that are just as good. Just look at this. It's just, people flock like a bunch of geese into one area. It's just chaos, man. Karens and Chads. I mean, this is why I go to places where it's just not mainstream. Focus camera, there we go. It's beautiful up there, but all right, let's go somewhere where there's not so many people. All-seeing Aspen eye. It's always watching. Let me get a quick glance at the cabin. People actually have live campfires up here. My little buddy. Wow. See, no, this is beautiful, folks. Get out here where the crowds aren't at. Oh, there's another cabin up here. Let's go check it out. It's all boarded up as it should be. GoPro, stop recording. Okay. Well, that wraps it up for today. Wanted to do more. It's too packed, too crowded out here. Let's see, what is today? The 1st of October, so there's still plenty of time to catch some vibrant colors. I'm gonna have to take a weekday off of work and come up on a weekday, like a Monday. If anybody watching this is like one of the people who go where the big crowds go, write down in the comments below why you want to congregate with so many people. I mean, I understand maybe it's the hottest spot to see the poppin' collars, but it's not just for fall color viewing, it's everywhere here in Colorado. I don't understand why so many trails are so packed when there's other places that people can go that are more solitude and you can actually enjoy yourself a little bit more. Like right now, I'm even completely stopped in traffic going back. I just want to know why people want to be where the big crowds are. Maybe I'm just one of those few oddballs that just likes my space to myself. I like to get out there, I like to have solitude. And from the video you've seen, I captured some pretty cool stuff, some beautiful colors, you know, even though it's off the beaten path a little bit. Anyway, if you want to comment, let me know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm just antisocial. I don't know. But if you made it this far in the video, appreciate you watching. Subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna start working on doing more of these story vlogs again and adventures. So appreciate it. Catch you on the next one. Peace.